You know, the holidays bring out the scam artists, and this is a bit of a scam alert. Okay. I went on Facebook tonight, and of course the thing, oh, winner popped up, and it's like, yeah, what did I win? Blah, blah, scroll, scroll, scroll. And it's like, yeah, and it went into great detail. So I scrolled down and I clicked on the person's name, and sure enough, there it was. Well, let me show it to you, and I'll show you why it got caught. So let's go to capture from screen. And now we're going to go over here. Anyway, this here says, Dear winner, your Facebook profile was among the selected winner that has won 800,000 United States dollar, and Samsung Galaxy 8 Plus by the Samsung Galaxy International Lottery Prize Promotion 2018. Samsung Electronics selects your Facebook, selects your Facebook among the people online on the draw date. Your Facebook profile was among the selected winners of number 12 that was attached to lottery number .sg dash blah 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 blah. Contact this person email. You will have to fill out and submit this form to the claims manager. A verification direction, full name, address, email, sex, occupation, mobile number, nationality, identification numbers, which means your social security or your social insurance number, and fax number. And that's like, please. They went to a lot. They kind of blew it with their grammar. But just to be on the safe side, I went here and I clicked on the name. And sure enough, this person has gone to a lot of trouble to put the intro. I'm an online coordinator for the 2017 Samsung promo. Maria Buena Teflon. Tell me Teflon ain't a slippery name. And it says, now there was something here. Anyway, it was a him. Okay, this is definitely not a him. This person doesn't look like their name is Teflon. And there was just too many grammatical errors. And we're back. Hi. So there was just but I mean, they went to a lot of trouble. They went to too much trouble and didn't bother to use Grammarly. Because, anyway, that being said, there was enough information there that there was enough padding of the illusion that it could have, messed with a lot of people who might have, on the off chance that it is true, send in all those pertinent facts all those facts, they can take those facts and they can get credit cards with them. The very least. Very worst, steal your identity. At the very, very worst, come into your home and kill you. Like, seriously, folks, if it seems too good to be true, no matter how, if you won $800,000 from Samsung, they wouldn't be sending me a personal message through Facebook. Folks, please, please, please be careful. This is scam artists, to me, are the worst. They're right up there with liars and thieves. You know why? Because they're both. This is the Mrs. Volfie from our half-acre homestead saying, I hope everybody had a wonderful Easter weekend and that nobody's life or weekend was marred by scam artists. Watch out for them. They're out there. Take care. God bless.